Let's see here. Right here's our bend. We need to bend a little bit higher. Bend it right over there. It's not flat. It's flat down. Unless you want to put it at an angle. See how there's a built-in angle. See how there's an angle on that? And I drew it. So that bracket might want to be at an angle, I don't know. No, I'm going to build it straight. Okay. You bring a hammer with you. I got my own. Good enough. Now we got a nice radius.
Yeah, that looks like it'll do it.
It's a lot stronger. Now we go try it. Hope it has the right tools. Problem is now it just doesn't fit in here. Looks a lot better. Okay, I think it'll fit in there pretty good now. Okay, so we'll blow this off or keep it?
Just blow it off.
I think we got enough material that we can go all the way down to the bottom of that and catch it. So our angle looks good here. Should be good, about right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we gotta lose this. Somewhere through here?
Yeah.
You didn't want that, did you? All right, there's a hole there. Unplug me. Hook up.
You're in.
I got power now?
Yep.
Still sharp if you put your finger in it, but don't put your finger in the hole, it won't cut it. Next time it's off, we can just weld the piss out of it and fix it. Okay, we gotta get rid of the bolt that's in there. Where's your wrench? You lost it? Okay, let's see what we got here first. I gotta mark it. Shorten this up a little bit, but I'm not sure exactly where we're going to be. Got to kind of guess, because we're not.
Right.
I think this is going to keep going flat, so it should go straight in. In which case we'd be okay. I got a button, the bottom of this is about 1/8 inch too thick here, because it's going to raise the pipe up. See how I raise the pipe up when I push it in there?
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to raise the pipe up.
Right.
So. Alright, so I think that's about the right spot. So we just kind of mark it right there. We can see where we're at. This looks like it's straight, so it should just go straight across. So just go off the center line. All right, I got my part. That's a 3/8 bolt, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Crap everywhere, look out. So I was working on a hone yesterday, I had to make some brackets, so the mill's set up to use right now. Over here. We just did the other bracket real quick because the mill's still set up from last night. Which makes it nice and easy to do this job. Alright, let's see, we got a tool. We just did all the same thing. Okay. Makes it easy when you just got done doing the same job, so. So basically we're just gonna put this in there. We got two parallels sitting there to hold it. So, center drill. Right down there. Slide it out, center it up. Just by eyeball looks good. Right on our mark right there. Spot there just to make sure it looks like we're pretty close. I think we're off by that much. Pile a hole through. Oh, he mixed up the drills over here again. Those are letter drills, these are fractional. Fractional, these are 1/2 inch, 7/16. Letter drills are NQF. Okay, so you want a 3/8 drill here, one size bigger. So it'll be a 64th number, I didn't look up. So. Okay, now we just power this on through there. Wobble. A wobbly drill. Yeah, it's got some burrs on there to chuck down to, I guess. Okay, we got a deburring tool. 5/8 ball burr. Burrs leave nice, good burr-free finishes. Here you go.
Thank you.
Don't break it. All right, quick and simple. Put tools away when you're done. Don't worry about the mess, we don't care. Chips are fine. Back to work. Where did he run off to? You don't suppose he's already got it installed already. I'm missing all the highlights. We are getting all the low lights though. Oh, it's already on there. Damn, you're quick. Good job. What are you putting on the backside?
Should it not go on the backside?
No.
Right.
You want the front bracket to be off? We're gonna have to shorten it too, probably. How far do we gotta drop it? How much has to be ground off? The bottom. 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
Here. Here.
Oh yeah. So close.
So close, but so far. Hey, your hand's in the way, I can't see. Only that much?
Yeah.
It's like the whole damn bracket's off. Make sure the bracket's in the right spot. A long ways off. The hole's that far off?
The hole's good, it's just this.
Yeah, but it's that far off? Okay. If that's what it needs, that's what it needs. Hey, don't scratch that chrome now, come on.
That chrome is long gone.
I think I've got half the bracket to cut off. Jeez. That's a lot of cutting. Where's your cutter? Here. Oh, you charge that part now. Plug this in your butt, make it work. We got it. We got it. I have this OSHA approved outlet right here.
Yeah, that's good.
See? There's no chips in it either. Now you know what I need for Christmas.
Yeah, right.
All right, this is on the wrong side. I can't see shit. What if I turn it the other way? Still can't see shit. We should go like this. Does that look safe?
Flip the bracket around.
That's too much work. See, this can't possibly be unsafe. I don't see any problem at all with that, do you? Yeah. We don't know anything about OSHA around here. Tickles that bracket. A nice burr-free finish. Smoking hot too. You want to touch that? Might be really. Make sure you tape off the part you don't want to be painted, otherwise it'll be permanently marked. Or you just wipe off what you don't like. Tape takes forever to do. Looks like I still didn't cut enough off. Oh, this is okay, where's your bolt?
Right there, under it.
That's good.
Lock washer and nuts right there.
You need this thing here? Why do you have a lock nut and a lock washer?
Extra safe around these here parts.
Extra safe. Now you realize that you
It's-
probably don't have room for the lock nut on the back of that.
Probably not anymore.
So if you get the washer out of the way,
Lose it.
the
Yeah.
actual locking part might actually work. So where's the location this was at, do you know?
I don't know.
I don't know. It matters, you know.
And probably adjust it once we get the pipe on.
Did you loosen up this front bolt?
No.
Why is it loose?
Probably wasn't fully tightened to begin with.
Ah. partially tight. In a row. Tires in the way. Guess what?
What's that?
It's not very tight. It's hard to get in here with a wrench too. Bike needs to be higher in the air to get to it. How many turns do I tighten that now?
7, 8?
Starting to get tight though.
Yeah.
You notice it is getting tighter though.
Oh yeah.
Of course I can't get to it anymore because its tires in the way. Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, that's good. I think that one's tight. Is this one tight? Where's your wrench? That's good. Okay, here's the front plate.